How Elon Musk makes and spends his money. Elon Musk is a billionaire and tech industry icon who breaks the mold of his peers. His entrepreneurial spirit started young and he's been making money in ludicrous sums since his youth in South Africa, though he's an outspoken and highly controversial figure. It's impossible to deny that Musk has taken the tech world by storm with companies like PayPal, Tesla and SpaceX among others. With a net worth of $21.4 billion, he has some serious buying power. Elon Musk was born on the 28th of June in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa, from the Canadian May Haldeman and the South African Errol Musk. Musk was fascinated by science fiction and computers in his adolescent years. When he was 12, he wrote the code for his own video game and actually sold it to a company. In his late teens, he emigrated to Canada in order to avoid the required military service for white males in South Africa. Thanks to his mother's Canadian ties, he was able to enroll at Queen's University in Kingston, one of Ontario's top schools. After graduating, he moved on to the University of Pennsylvania. During his time at UPenn, the billionaire visionary and his roommate converted their college house into a nightclub so they could make money to pay rent. Musk had planned on a career in business, and Lee worked at a Canadian bank one summer as a college intern. This was his only real job before he became an internet entrepreneur. After he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, he earned a bachelor's degree in economics and a second bachelor's in physics a year later. From there he won admission to the prestigious doctoral program at Stanford University in California, where he planned to concentrate on a PhD in energy physics. He moved to California just as the internet boom starting in 1995, and he decided he wanted to be in on the action. He dropped out of Stanford after just 2 days in order to start his first company, Zip2 Corporation. This was an online city guide aimed at the newspaper publishing business, and Musk was able to land contracts with both the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune to provide content for their new online sites. Musk was just 24 when he started the company, and he devoted all his energies to see it succeed. He lived in the same rented office that served as his company's headquarters, sleeping on a futon couch and showering at a local YMCA, which was cheaper than renting an apartment. He explained in an interview with Roger Glenn of the Sunday Times of London, still the company struggled to fulfill its contracts and meet the payroll in other costs, and he looked for outside financing. Eventually a group of venture capitalists, investors who provide startup money to new businesses, financed Zip2 with $3.6 million. But he gave up majority control of their company in exchange. Probably Elon Musk. His great step forward came from online financial services, especially because his creation still has an effect on our everyday lives. He co-founded X.com in 1999, a sort of online bank that would soon become PayPal, one of the most used and famous online payment methods in their world. The platform was so successful that eBay decided to buy it in 2002. PayPal closed the fourth trimester of 2016 with a $367 million profit, a 26% increase from the previous year. It currently pulls in almost $2 billion profit every year. After PayPal, Musk turned his sights on the cosmos. He was long convinced that for life to survive, humanity needs to become a multi-planet species. However, he was dissatisfied with the great expense of rocket launches. In 2002 he founded Space Exploration Technologies, or SpaceX for short, to make more affordable rockets. In a way, Musk also invented the first reusable rocket, the Falcon 9. The rocket used to refuel their International Space Station and bring satellites into orbit. It can use their same engine for multiple launches and return to base without a pilot. A third rocket, the Falcon Heavy, first launched in 2018, was designed to carry 117,000 pounds into orbit, nearly twice as much as its largest competitor, the Boeing Company's Delta IV Heavy, for only one-third of the cost. SpaceX also developed the Dragon spacecraft, which carries supplies to their International Space Station and is designed to carry as many as 7 astronauts. Musk sought to reduce their expense of space flight by developing a fully reusable rocket that could lift off and return to the pad it launched from. Beginning back in 2012, SpaceX's Grasshopper rocket made several short flights to test such technology. In addition to being CEO of SpaceX, Musk was also chief designer in building the Falcon rockets Dragon and Grasshopper. Musk declared at this point, "I'm highly confident that it's possible to achieve at least 100-fold reduction in the cost of space access. A completely reusable rocket has never been made before. Rapid and complete reusability of rockets is really the key to opening up space and becoming a spacefaring civilization." According to the entrepreneur, the first human mission to Mars could realistically take place in 2022. The Internet and space exploration are only two of Musk's intuitions. Another theme that fascinates him is energy, especially what concerns renewable energy. This is why he created Tesla Motors in 2003, a car manufacturer that will revolutionize the idea of electric cars. The first Tesla Roadster was produced in 2008, a supercar that was able to reach 200 kilometers per hour. It immediately had great success, even though wood was very expensive both to build and to buy. It is no longer in production, but 2,000 of these cars were made. It was obviously a toy that can only be afforded by few people, but it allowed Musk to invest and create the first electric luxury sedan, the Model S. This car has beaten numerous records with more than a 400-kilometer range for the first model. Their following model reached 900 kilometers. It's also the first car with an autopilot and an integrated connection to the web. Tesla offers much more, since Musk's idea is for electric cars to be accessible to everyone. After the futuristic Model X, an SUV with gull-wing doors, Tesla recently created a compact car called the Model 3. It costs around €30,000, even though it will probably reach $50,000 after accessory options. Musk promised that we won't stop until every car on the road is electric. With all of these various ventures, no 2 days are the same for Elon Musk. He spends Mondays and Fridays at SpaceX in Los Angeles. On Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays he heads to the Bay Area to work on Tesla. Quartz estimates that he spends an average of 42 hours a week working at Tesla and 40 hours a week working over at SpaceX. He also told Y Combinator that he usually spent about half a day working at the artificial intelligence non-profit OpenAI. With this impressive portfolio of business Ventures. Musk is earning money from a wide variety of revenue streams. So what exactly is he spending his money on? Well, first of all, he has an extremely impressive real estate portfolio. In 2016, Musk paid $24.25 million to buy a new mansion in Los Angeles' ritzy Bel Air neighborhood, and he has his sights on much more. Surprisingly, this is actually his fifth home in the same neighborhood, though it's still under construction. Combine that with the $48 million he spent on previous homes, and his total real estate dent in the area is around $72 million. All the homes are close in proximity, giving the mogul his own personal compound in an extremely pricey zip code in the foothills of the Santa Monica Mountains. These days his main residence is a mansion he bought in 2012 after renting it there. Pad at 20,248 square feet contains 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. In combination with the rest of the compound, Musk has much more real estate than a family of 6 could ever use. A notorious workaholic, Musk does not spend cash on lavish vacations or expensive hobbies. Instead, the entrepreneur spends most of his time at the office or in factories so that he can guarantee profitability for each of his companies. This is particularly important in the case of Tesla because Musk refuses to take a salary, though he doesn't even earn bonuses, stock, or even a minimum wage. This is to prove his commitment to investors. Essentially, Musk will be rewarded with stock options as the company progresses. As it reaches 12 different financial milestones, the company will trigger a payout for Musk, culminating in a payment of over $50 billion if Tesla grows in an expected rate. It's obvious that Musk believes in the company because in 2018 he bought even deeper into Tesla. It was announced that Musk had bought 72,500 shares of Tesla when shares were trading at $342 according to a second filing. The total purchase was worth about $24.9 million. Tesla has an abundance of skeptics, but Musk has continued to fork over the cash for shares in the electric car maker. Back in early May, Musk bought 33,000 Tesla shares, then worth about 10 million shares were trading just below $300 at that point. Musk is Tesla's largest shareholder. He now owns about 33.7 million shares of Tesla, a roughly 19% slice of all outstanding shares. Musk made his purchases shortly after Tesla said it would cut about 9% of its workforce for 46,000 employees in salaried roles outside vehicle production. The company is trying to improve efficiency and profitability as it continues the frequently delayed and often struggling production of its Model 3 sedan. Despite Musk's apparent confidence, Tesla is the most shorted equity with a $12.82 billion short exposure, according to financial analytics from S3 Partners. That's 22% of all shares outstanding, on top of his massive real estate portfolio and stock buybacks. Musk has acquired a whole host of luxury items given his affinity for making waves in the auto industry. It's no surprise that Musk has a taste for fancy cars. Back in 2013 he paid $920,000 at an auction for the Lotus Esprit submarine car, which was made famous in a James Bond movie. In addition to driving his own products, Musk owns 2 gas-powered cars, a Ford Model T and a Jaguar E-Type Series 1 Roadster. Musk also bought a McLaren F1 supercar but crashed it in 2017. The car is believed to inspire Elon to make performance-oriented cars that Tesla manufactures today, in keeping with this workaholic lifestyle. Musk almost never takes vacations, though of course he can afford luxurious trips. In 2015 he said he's only taken 2 weeks off since founding SpaceX about 12 years earlier. Much of Musk's time and money goes to his 5 young children. In a 2014 tweet, Musk said he takes the kids on an annual camping trip. "I'm a pretty good dad," he said. "I have the kids for a little more than half the week and spend a little time with him." But by August 2018, Musk told the New York Times that he has taken to working 120 hours a week. "There were times when I did not leave the factory for 3 or 4 days when I did not go outside," he told the Times. "This has really come to the expense of seeing my kids and seeing friends." However, Musk has had one of his Bel Air properties converted into a full-time private schoolhouse for his kids. It might not be a replacement for quality time, but it's certainly a good start. But despite his adoration of his children, Musk will ultimately give away their full inheritance after signing the Land Melinda Gates Giving Pledge. More than 150 billionaires and billionaire couples have signed their giving pledge to donate a majority of their fortunes to charity. And a new report from financial research company WealthX predicts the pledge may be worth as much as $600 billion by 2022, while some claim that Musk would be better off using his assets to ensure the success of his various philanthropic business ventures. His signature on the giving pledge is undoubtedly selfless. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you'd like to see more of my content, make sure to check out my channel at the top of the description. As always, I'm Mr. Luxury Gift to Doodly Doo.